Hi everyone, Ron Crider here. January the 7th, 2020. I'm at the Ocean Grill. As you can see here, this is the beach at the Victoria condominium. Here is the work being done, the reconstruction work of our beach over at the Ocean Grill. I was having lunch on Tuesday, January the 7th, 2020, and all of a sudden I looked out the window and looked what's going on. All kinds of interesting action. Look at these trucks coming down the beach. They were picking up the sand up by Con Beach and as far as the satellite tracking station, bringing it down the beach to the Ocean Grill and Sexton Plaza. And in this particular case, they were putting it up right in front of, if you consider looking at the Ocean Grill from the bar area, as you can see the ocean back there. And these big giant trucks are dragging all this brand new sand in here. They say this is sand from 3 hurricanes ago, or a combination of sand from 3 hurricanes. The project is supposed to be completed by April, and they tell me that there are literally thousands of truckloads of sand that's going to be dispersed all along the beach here in Vero Beach. And this is all taking place right now as we speak. If you go up to Con Beach by the boardwalk, you're going to see big mountains of sand in that area as well. So this is just an out and about video that I took at the Ocean Grill, which happens to be one of my favorite places for lunch and has been since 1960. Always have great food over there. Stop in and say hello to Karen and Brenda. Make a really nice sandwich called the Valley Girl sandwich. Now, when I wear my Marine Corps pin, I don't ask for a Valley Girl sandwich. I just point to it. That doesn't sound like a very manly sandwich, but it's very healthy. Take a look at it on the menu, the Valley Girl sandwich. They have a lot of really good things. They have great soup for lunch. Can't get any food after 2:30, though, so if you get there after 2:30, you're going to be relegated to a little cheese and crackers, and that's about it. Other than that, the Ocean Grill is terrific. It's going to get even better as they keep dumping this brand new sand in front of it, building up the berm area. Just another little short video, out and about, Ron Crider here in Vero Beach. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back. This is our beach at the Victoria condominium here in Vero Beach. Look at our beach. Our beach is looking pretty good. It's pretty windy today. I recorded this audio, as you can hear the sounds of the surf and the wind in the background. Have a great new year, folks. Thanks for watching the video.